If you want to apply for a Halifax credit card online, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First off, from your browser here, you want to go ahead and type in Halifax credit card like this, right? Credit card, and then just tap on enter. Now on here, you can see on the first one that shows up, it'll say apply for credit card online. You just want to tap on this. Now, once you tap on this is what you will see, right? This is the interface you will see. Just click on accept here for the cookies consent. And then you can see this is where you can apply for a credit card online. You will have to go through the process as well. So on credit cards here, you can check now here. If you want quick links, there's here as well. And you can choose a credit card, Halifax credit card right here, just by checking now here as well. So if you want to go ahead and apply, just tap on check now right here on the button. And then let's just wait for this to load. And then once you check now, this is what you will see, right? Halifax credit card application. It'll just show for a white screen for a second. Let's just wait for this to load. It'll just take a couple of moments. Once it loads, you will have to check your eligibility, right? So on here, you will have to fill out all of these, your Mr. and Mr., your first name, middle name, when we were born, what's your gender, marital status, and then see if you apply. So for example, I'm a doctor here, and then my first name is example, and then names is John, and then the last name is Smith, right? So Smith like this. And then when we were born, I'm just going to put in like 03, and then I was born in the year February, and then on the year I was born in 1990, and then my gender male, my status partner, I'm married / civil partnership, and then am I a British citizen? Yes, and I'm gonna tap on continue. Now on here you will have to put in your contact details like your main UK phone number. So of course you will need to be from the UK to apply for a Halifax credit card, and then what's your email address? Confirm where your email address is, and then where you live as well, your postcode. And then this is where I will have to stop because I don't have a main UK phone number. But you will have to continue with this process here. Just follow the onboarding prompt. And then after that, you will be checked if you are eligible for a credit card.